Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can reopen Snapchats that are already viewed. Let's get started. So here we are in my Snapchat app in the chats right here. So as you can see, there is a new snap that is sent to me. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open it first because I haven't opened it yet. Right there. Open it. As you can see, I have already opened it like this, and I can simply open it again. If I click on it again, then I can open it once again. I can reopen it. So what you want me to do so that you can reopen it over and over again is that you need to ask the sender that it should be allowed to be reopened within a set amount of time. So if that set amount of time expires, you won't be able to reopen it anymore. So you would need to specifically ask the sender to not do it like that. As you can see, uh, as it appears right there, it says hold on to replay. So if we hold like that, then as you can see, it turns back into new snap again, and that is basically how you can reopen Snapchat. And once you click on it again, you can view it once again. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.